Getting new suppliers right before your busiest season? That's great for your product range, but not if every supplier sends a different spreadsheet and your team has to map each one manually. Let's see how Apimio makes multiple supplier onboardings easier to manage. Supplier A might call it SKU. Supplier B calls it item code. Another supplier might use completely different names for price, dimensions, or product attributes. When several suppliers arrive at once, manually preparing every file can quickly become a bottleneck. Inside Supplier Bridge, upload your first supplier file. Apimio reads the spreadsheet and prepares the data for mapping. Now let's look at the suggested column matches. AI column mapping suggests how the supplier's columns match our product fields. For example, item code to SKU product, name to title, description to description. Review these suggestions, make any adjustments, and confirm the mapping. The goal is simple: spend your time reviewing the mapping instead of building it from scratch. Before importing, Apimio can flag required information that's missing from the supplier file. Here, we can see that one required field hasn't been provided. Instead of discovering the problem after the products are already in the catalog, we can catch it during the import process and address it first. Once everything looks good, save the mapping for this supplier. Now let's imagine the supplier sends an updated catalog next month. Upload the new file, and Apimio can reuse the saved mapping. When multiple suppliers are coming in, you need a process you can repeat, not another spreadsheet to manage. With Supplier Bridge and AI column mapping, you can onboard supplier catalogs faster and prepare them for the rest of your product workflow. Import your first supplier file using the link below.